Halo, this is you. This is going to get you fired up. This is your segment of the show. This is you when you dream about Halo, you wake up in the morning, you check the Halo news. I'm sure you've already seen this. The developers have responded to some of the criticism around Halo. I kind of feel bad for Halo. I don't know why. I just think, yeah, maybe you expected more, but holy moly, people just come after the developers directly. They go right at them on Twitter, the actual human being who's been working on the thing. A flat image, you suck. I guess
I will hurt you.
Why should I expect any different? People.
No, that's the internet.
That's just the way it goes. I mean, people come at me, they come at you. Anybody you can come at is getting hit up. Maybe we all need to ease up. I'm not really sure, but anyways, this guy, this developer on Twitter appears to be taking the criticism very seriously, and that's one area where criticism pays off. Is it can help guide you into making improvements as well. Now, like I told you before, I don't know how much they can do here. I feel like people are going to be dissatisfied because it's just so much weight to this title. So I just don't imagine how people are going to come out when the game ships, which is not that far from now, and say, okay, fine, we're happy now. That's going to be a tough one, given where people's minds are right now. But Dan Chosich, director of Halo Infinite, responded to a frustrated Twitter follower who was disappointed with the reveal. He said, I've been in your shoes. I know what it's like to have expectations built and feel let down, he said. I want you to know your voice matters and is heard. You're not falling on deaf ears. I always want to live up to the legacy that Bungie pioneered. I personally care a lot about honoring that. So, I mean, a very heartfelt.
Oh, yeah.
This guy definitely, I mean, take the words for what they are, but he doesn't come across as flippant. He doesn't come across as dismissive. He comes across as really wanting to make a good product. Now, it could be damage control, but I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt and suggest that this guy wants to make a good game. He wants to impress you as a gamer, and he wants to do justice to the original as much as he can. Yeah. We'll see what they can do. They've said, hey, that was early. That was an early thing. It's not the final product. Give us a chance. But I don't know. Sometimes this goes the way where people will be more sympathetic and say, well, I'm glad that I was heard. And then sometimes it goes the other way where they say, oh, you're listening to me? That means I have your attention. That means you're weak. That means I'm about to eat you alive and hit you with everything.
Here's the ammunition.
Yeah, so it's tough to know. But look, I think they're definitely going to put out something better than the demo or the gameplay, official gameplay preview. But will it be up to people's standards, or is the standard an impossible standard given the fact that just where people are at with what they want in a Halo Infinite game? Maybe.